Good morning, my students. My name is Sumail Badr. I'm an English teacher from Palestinian schools in Qatar. Today, I present for you period 5 from unit 17, page 60. Okay, my lovely student. Before I explain the lesson for you, let's stop on some basic rules. Okay, the first rule, an adjective is a word that describes the noun. Adjectives, it's a word, but it's describe the noun. For example, his handwriting is clear. Here, clear is, yes, it's adjective. What did it's describe? Yes, the handwriting. Its handwriting is a noun. So clear describe handwriting. It's describe the noun. Number 2, an adverb is a word that describes the verb. For example, he is writing clearly. He is writing clearly. Clearly is, yes, adverb. And it describes, yes, writing. Writing, it describes the verb. Number 3, when we change an adjective into an adverb, we only add an ly to the adjective. Here we have a syllable, ly. This syllable, we add it to the adjective in order to change the adjective into the adverb. Now, I have here, for example, we have some examples. I will read them. Polite is the adjective. The adverb from polite, politely. Politely, we add a y to the polite. Loud is adjective, yes. The adverb from loud, loudly. Loudly, we add ly to the loud to change the adjective into the adverb. Rule number 4. If the adjective ends with y, okay, and it won't preceded by a vowel, I, O, U, A, E. These are the vowels. Change the Y into I, then add a Y. Okay, I will explain this rule. Here we have example, noisy, noisy. Noisy, here, it's an adjective. This adjective ends with Y and the letter before Y was consonant, not vowel, not one of the vowels I, O, U, A, E. Okay, so when we change it to the adverb, we change the last letter Y from noisy to I and then we add a Y. It's become noisily. Noisily, adverb. Okay, my student, now my student, open your box page 60. We will apply this rule in box exercises. Now, exercise 1, read and think. Complete the sentences with correct words. I will read the sentences for you and you will try to complete them with the correct words. Number 1, Ben and Amy are waiting, gap, polite, in a queue. Number 2, the boy does not notice the queue. He is pushing in, rude. Number 3, the girls are talking, gap, loud, in the library. Number 4, Rania and Omar are reading, gap, quiet in the library. Number 5, Mr. Ali says the boys were playing, gap, noisy yesterday. Number 6, Amy is not writing, gap, careful. The teacher wants her to speak, gap. Now, take 5 minutes. Try to complete the sentences with the correct words. Okay, my lovely students, let's check your answers. Number 1, Ben and Amy are waiting politely. We change polite adjective to the adverb. Okay, in a queue. Number 2, the boy does not notice the queue he is pushing in. Yes, rudely. Rudely. Rude, the adverb from rude, rudely. The girls are talking loudly, loudly in the library. Number 4, Rania and Omar are reading quietly, quietly, yes, excellent, in the library. Number 5, Mr. Ali says the boys were playing, yes, noisily yesterday, noisily. Number 6, Amy is not writing, yes, carefully, from the adverb from careful is carefully. The teacher wants her to speak, yes, clearly, clearly too. Now take 2 minutes, try to correct your mistakes. Now, my lovely student, we will move to the second part of our lesson. Think and write the correct answers. We have some pictures here in the left side and we have some questions. Also, we have answers. You will reorder the answers and don't forget to change the adjective into the adverb. I will read the questions for you. Question number 1, how is the old man walking? Answer, walking slow he is. Question number 2, how did the boy answer the questions? Answer, he, them answered correct. Question number 3, how did they climb the mountain? Answer, climbed the safe mountain. Question number 4, okay. How did the boy run in the race? Answer, run he quick in the race. Now I will give you 5 minutes to answer these questions correctly and don't again forget to change the adjective into the adverb. Okay, my student, now let's check your answers. Question number 1, how is the old man walking? The answer is yes, he's walking slowly. Slowly here is adverb. It's described the walking, the verb. Number 2, how did the boy answer the question? Answer, he, them answered correct. The answer is yes, he answered them correctly. Correctly is adverb. It's described the verb answered. Number 3, how did they climb the mountain? Answer, climbed the safe mountain. Yes, the answer is they climbed the mountain safely. Safely is adverb. It's described the verb climbed. The last question, number 4, how did the boy run in the race? The answer is yes, he ran quickly in the race. He ran quickly in the race. Here, quickly is adverb. It's described the verb run. Run is past, the past from run, the past verb from run. Okay, my lovely students, I will give you 5 minutes to check your answer and correct the mistakes. Start, please. Okay, now we will go to the third exercise in our lesson. Work in pairs, ask and answer questions about good and bad manners in the classroom. Here we have some pictures describe the good manners in our classroom. I want you and your parents make a discussion, okay, and try to tell them about the good manners in the classroom. I will read here the conversation. What should you do and how? When the teacher asks a question, when there is a queue while living in the class, when you are in the library, when two of your friends are talking. Okay, now what should we do in these situations? Well, I will answer for you two questions. When the teacher asks questions, what should I do? Yes, I should raise my hand politely to answer that question. Okay? When you are in the library, what should you do? Yes, I should talk loudly. I should not talk loudly. Yes. Okay, my student, now try to answer these questions in front of your parents and try to write them. If you want to send the answers for me, I will accept your answers in the WhatsApp, please. I hope at the end of my lesson, I hope you understood everything. Thank you for watching this lesson. See you soon. I'm Miss Sumaya Badr from Palestinian schools in Qatar. Thank you very much.